everyone, merhaba. Since 5 years, I have been cooking aşure for my friend. This year I wanted to film everything. Tomorrow I'm gonna go there again. It's the month of aşure right now. Now I'm going in for the ingredients for aşure. So let's go. The ingredients since the season, it's already all together here. We have fruits, dried fruits and nuts. The first ingredient would be cracked wheat, bulgur. Here it is, but I'm not gonna buy because my friend is going to get it. Of course we need some sugar, I'm not gonna get. And these are the beans. We will use white beans and chickpeas. Where is it? Here. And she's gonna buy it, so I'm not gonna get them. Okay, 1 pack of dried figs. We have 2 types of dried apricot, but this is lighter, this is darker. Normally I buy this one more, it is more flavorful, but I'm gonna use this because it is more lighter in color. Raisins. This is Antep karası called, and it has seed in it. It can be more flavorful, but again I don't like to have seed, so I'm gonna use regular raisins. We have walnuts, hazelnuts, dolmalık fıstık, some pine nuts to decorate, coconut flakes, cinnamon. Normally we would use pomegranate to decorate the top, but since it's not the season, I cannot find it. Okay, we are having mulberries, chopped pistachio, Good morning. It's 9 a.m. the next day, and we are in front of my friend's house. We're gonna have breakfast and then begin to make the aşure. Yesterday night, I told her to cook the wheat and rice for 5 minutes and leave it overnight. So it soaked all the water and it is ready to cook. I transfer it to a bigger pan. Going to add more water and begin to cook while we are eating our breakfast. Of course, besides the Turkish tea, in the breakfast we have sucuk egg, some simit, cheese, tomatoes, olives, and I brought my homemade sourdough bread to enjoy together. It's cooking on low heat, but you have to stir from time to time. It begins to thicken, as you can see, and I begin to prepare my dried nuts and fruits while it's cooking. I'm chopping my apricots and going to soak them in hot water. To give more flavor, you can also squeeze some orange juice if it's the season. And in another bowl, I'm gonna soak my raisins and mulberries. This time, to make my aşure richer, I'm gonna add some blanched almonds into the ashure.
Şimdi gördüm selam söyle.
Place some cloves in a piece of fruit wedges, either could be apple or peaches, and put it into ashure. It will cook together and give its flavor. This way you can take it out easily later. Another option would be to boil them in small amount of water and use the flavored water inside the ashure.
%100 organik bahçesi.
Harika.
Geldi. Sanki daha iyi olur. Annem hiç kızartma işini bilmez.
Ha.
Sade Sivas usulü yapar onu.
Nasıl yapıyor? Tamam.
Yap bak ben senden hiç çekemiyorum. Bismillah. Beğenisi de bol olsun. İnşallah şifa olsun. Anadolu'nun testi.
Instagram yıkılır.
Karıştır. Ha, kepçe lazım bu arada. Kepçe günü
Güzel olacak aslında.
Bak babamın tartışması olur. Aslında büyük kanının geldiği. Hep döşeyik olabilir ama böyle çok daha Mesela ben bunu ben kendimce şöyle bir bu da bana düştü.
Ve kavurmak da çok yakışıyor buna biliyor musun?
Yok, kavrulmuş sözde ama
Öyle mi?
aldık. Ayrıdan kavurmadık.
Bunu yeseydim çok memnun olurdum.
Güzel güzel.
وحور عين كأمثال اللؤلؤ المكنون جزاء بما كانوا يعملون ونحن أقرب إليه من
When you use Metrobus, after you get off, when you press the up bill here, it gives you more money back if you didn't write that much, so use it after you get off, okay? Just wanted to give you a note. We are out from the university. I really liked it, but of course the decision is to my daughter's. So I don't know what she's gonna decide. you buy ayran, first before you open it, you have to shake. Merhaba. Welcome. You want some too? Hmm? Yes, she wants. Yet another day, we are visiting another university. It's our last day for choosing the universities, and then it's gonna be done, and we're gonna wait. Today we are in Yıldız Technical University. Fig tree, beautiful. There is no one in the school, university, only the birds enjoying. So we visited the Yıldız Technical University. It's very big, like a hidden garden, hidden gem in Istanbul, in the heart of the Istanbul. It has beautiful park in it, very big. I don't know where she's gonna go at the end. We'll see.